All right, guys, I'm in my Cybertruck here, and I'm pairing a new key card. Now, when you get your Cybertruck, this is the case for any new Tesla right now, is you get a little case here, and it comes with two of these black key cards. This is the only key that the Cybertruck comes with. I think the Model S and X probably still come with a key fob, but the Model 3, Y, and Cybertruck, they're just coming with this black little plain card. I thought it would be a little more special than this, but it really just is this. But really, you use your phone as your primary key to the car anyways. With Bluetooth, it just connects to the car. When you walk up to it, it unlocks. When you get in the vehicle, you don't have to do anything. Your phone just activates the car. So it makes it super simple, but it is recommended that you carry the key card with you in case your phone dies or there's a Bluetooth problem. You can still activate that. Now, to get in, unlock it, you just swipe this on the door pillar right below the camera. So you just touch that to that. And then what you do is when you're inside the truck, you put the key card in this left phone slot. This is a wireless phone charger for your phone, but you put it right here and it activates the car. So it's like, that's how you use it. On the other ones, you use you put it on the phone charger area or right behind the cup holder area, like on the Model Ys and 3s, you do that. So just, it is vehicle specific on where you do this. Now, Tesla provides two of these. You can have up to 10 keys programmed to your car, and I want to program a new key card. Now, I just got this from Tesla. They sell this on their website. It's like $60 for this metal key card. It's kind of like a Cybertruck specific one. I think that's kind of cool because it's, the Cybertruck has this cool stainless steel panels. This kind of, being metal, it kind of, makes it a little more robust, kind of matches the Cybertruck a little better. I don't think it's a bargain at $60. It's kind of a ripoff, but I got it. I'm going to try it out. I want to show you how to pair a new key. Like I said, you can do up to 10 of these. So you go here to your control panel. You just hit the little control panel button, go into locks. And this is going to show all of the key cards you currently have. So I have 3 phones, and then I have 2 key cards. These are the original key cards. And then what I want to do is, because I want to add a new key, I can just touch up here, add key card, or add key here. So to add a key card, we scan the key to begin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan it right here on the... Okay, so you need to have at least one existing card. So if you've lost all of them, I guess you'd have to figure something out from Tesla. So you want to make sure you have at least one. So I'm going to tap my existing. Key has been added. Let's see this. No. Okay, so this is kind of this is the unknown key right here. I can go to I can name it. Okay, so you see I just named this Cybertruck metal card. That way I know exactly which one it is. And then it just shows up in my list here. So that was really simple to do. One thing you can also do is you can use the same key card for other cars. So I have 2 Model Ys. I could program this to my Model Ys. So if I only wanted to carry one key card that would work with all 3 of my Teslas, I could do that, and this card would work with that. So it's kind of cool that you can use this with multiple Teslas if you have that. Anyways, adding a key card is super easy. Adding another phone key, like if you're allowing someone else to drive your car and you want to add a phone key, allow them to use their phone. They have to have the Tesla app, but you would allow that. You can allow that there. You can do it on the app, or you can do it on the screen here. So it's pretty simple to do that. And then I'm looking here on my phone. It just says that a new key card has been added to my Cybertruck, so that's good to go. So you don't have to carry a key with the Tesla. It is advisable that you carry the key card with you at all times. Just so if something happens, like if the Bluetooth gets disabled, your phone dies, if your phone runs out of battery, and you don't have any juice to your phone, you're not going to be able to get into your car if you don't have the key card. Something happens with the truck, or that your phone gets lost, damaged, stolen, something like that, it's helpful to have the backup with you to carry that all the time. This metal option's it feels like a little thicker than the plastic one. So if you're using this, I would probably carry it in my phone wallet. I normally don't carry it because I don't really carry a wallet. I just carry a couple cards in the back of my phone here. But one thing that I've learned is the phone Bluetooth key will work even if you don't have cell reception. And I was concerned about this when I first got my Model Y, that we were out hiking in an area where I had no cell service. I'm like, I don't dare get out of the car because I may not be able to get back in the car. Well, it's not dependent upon your data signal or cell phone towers. It really just is worked on Bluetooth. So as long as you have power to your phone, and you have the latest app running, you'll be able to get into the car no problem. Alright guys, so that's just a little quick tutorial on how to add key cards. You can also remove them the same way. You just hit the trash can next to the key card on the screen, so it's easy to remove them, easy to add them. So guys, thanks for watching the video. I'll leave a link to this down below. This is on the Tesla website. I'll leave a link to it. But guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.